Hi, welcome viewers. Today we are going to talk about a presentations simulator. We have used Microsoft Word basically for making our presentations, but this time we are going to make these presentations online. All right, so there is a site called prezi.com. So you just go there, okay, and see this site was site here there, and they will show some demos here. All right, then just to make, if you don't have an account, just to make an account there by press this login. Then if you have account, you just log in from here, and if you don't, just make one. There is a simple license for the education purposes. So if you have some ID on edu.bd or like edu, so for Bangladesh, so I call it BD. So if you have or your institution's email, so you can just open with that, then you have got the education license. So that's it. So if I log in here, so then these kinds of dashboard will be appear. So this is my dashboard here. I have some a couple of presentation pre-made here. So this is look like our dashboard. Okay. So you can also make here. You can see the left side the make new folder. So you can make a folder and uh, keep your presentations on a specific folder. Okay, so I am just going to show you some basics. So let's do that. If you want to make a new presentation, just click on here, new presentation. Then a tab will be open. So let's see. It will take some time for loading. I think it won't take so long. All right, it's loading now. So if you have the license on, if you want to get this license for education purposes, so you just register your account from your institution that provides you for for your classrooms or mailing systems. So just use your accounts of from your institutions, then you will get this education license. uh, it's take a little time, sorry for that. Alright, it's going to be finished now. Yeah. Okay, so at first after loading it will show you some templates, so you need to start on. So if you need to start on, you can find some templates from here. So at first there's two tabs, the latest and more. If you choose from here or more, then you can it will show more templates, or you can search by some names like computer. So it will show you some of the circuit board you can see. So I could type on computer, it will come the circuit board. So that's it. Now nature, so it will show some nature. Yeah, so that's it. That's type of some you can choose your own. Okay, so I'm just taking someone for showing you. Okay, so which one? Okay, let's take this one. If you just click the template and click on use template. Okay, or you can also start with blank just to make your own design. So you can start with blank. Okay. All right, so we can see this is our presentation, so making area. So if you want to click your title here, your slide title, just the naming your slide. So you can we are just naming it the test slide. All right, just to make it here. And you can see there come some designs predefined for you, so you can just access them with from this left side of their bar. So you can see there are just 6 slides from here. So if you click on 2, then it will go to you there, and you can edit the text from here. Okay, so you just make this is the one slide, the first slide, just make it first slide, and put some dummy contents, like say the dummy contents, like that. And if you want to put some images in here, okay, so what you do, you can insert in from here. So just click in there and take an images. So go to the desktop and my cases. So I have just put these images on, so just click on the image and it will be uploaded. It will take some time to upload, yeah. And you can just drag in here anywhere of this circle, or you can resize it of your if you want to make it bigger or smaller, so you can do it from here, or you can also rotate from here, yeah, like this one. So I will put it the simple, so just make it normal, just like that. Okay, so you can also put it some crop the images, or you can replace this image with another, or put some effects on here, like the how you want to image will be appear on a screen, or you know it will be, it can also allows you to do some edits like Photoshop here, so you can do this from here. Okay, so make some frames, so the basic editing. So I want to show you that you can also check that out for by yourself. All right, so these types of content will be uploaded here. Okay, so next slide, if you want to go to the next slide, then click on the next. You can see from the left side the number 3 slide, then it will come to the next one. So you can just make your contents here, the second slide here, and your contents. So if you want some data, or no, you can insert images from here, and you can also import some shapes. You can see from here if you want to some shapes, so it will click on shape, and I think it will become some shapes here. I think it's internet problem. Oh yeah, so it's come. So yeah, it will come with some shapes here, like I just put the music log in here. All right, yeah, so double click on there, and then this the icons will be appear here. So like this, you can also import a YouTube video, so add some stars that you need to just upgrade your account, so to get access to the charts. So another way, you can also draw lines, highlighter, etc. Many types of editing you can run from here. This is really helpful, you know so like I have used this arrow, just like that, or I can draw the line here like that. Okay, so if I want to highlight something, like I think I missed it, highlighter. Okay, so if you want to highlight something, you can just do it with here, and you can also add musics, and also the file, and our traditional PowerPoint that will provide with Microsoft. Okay, and you can also change the theme from here, the customize. Click on customize. So I think it will be appearing here, yeah. So you can now change your background, or you can change the designs from here. So if you want to change your background, so you can just choose here and make your file there, and it will be appearing here, or you can change your colors from here also. Okay, so this you will also try with that. You just want to check it out, and if you want to, you don't need this on this slide. You don't you need not use to these circle shapes. So then you can change it from here, like then you can see this is now a circle frame, so just click on there, and you can get the brackets frame, the rectangle, and the invisible. So like let's take one, just brackets here. So if I want to click in there again, so there we can get our new slide here. So when I click on the new slide, there will be a section will appear in here. I think, yeah, so this one. So if you want to rearrange your slide, so just drag here, like I want to put it on second positions, after the second slide, so to the third position, so I just drag in here, and it will be shown second. Okay, so just like that. So first, second, and then it will be here. Okay, so you just if you want to add some texture, just click on there, and you can just go through your text, like it will be the title here. So the title here, and you just make your font bigger or smaller, bold, italic, and your font will be available here. So many types of thing you can done with that. So this for this feature, I like this Prezi so much. All right, so that's type of thing you can do from here. So this is all about the pretty basics of here. Okay, So and it will be saved automatically, so you know, you won't need to worry about it. So if you want to need some another slide, so you can just add in from here or delete it from here like that. Or if you want to delete some slides, you can see you want to delete this 5. Okay, so what we'll do, first zoom it out, and if you hover it mouse, then it will be show, then you can delete it. Just so you can see it will be deleted from here, so it will also delete from your slide. So that's it. This is the basic of this Prezi software. Now it's come to the download. So you can also present it from here directly. So if you're going to present here, so it will be directly going to turn it into a presentations. So just click on next, or the arrow, so it will present your slide. Okay, so there's types of basic things here. All right. So there's the you can done your editing with here. Okay, so after that, so you need to download it to presenting on your laptop or desktop, or on projector. So you need to download it. So if you want to download it, so you need to close this tab, okay, because it's saved. So make sure it's saved here. Okay, so it is saved, I think. So let's go to my Prezis, and if I reload this, okay, so leave it here, just reload my page. uh, yeah, it's reloading. Now here, so this is the slide that we have just made. So if you want to download it for your presentation, so just click here, or you can also go through the present. So if you click on the present button here, it will be open another tab, and it will be just open with your preview. Okay, so you can also edit, then it will be go to your edit sections, so like that before I have show you, and then you can also present it from here. So if you want to download, so you can see that this is the download option here, so you just click on download, then it will be downloaded. Okay, so you can also share your slide to your friends or the other members of your, or co-author of your this slide. So you just click on here, then it will go privacy and sharing, and then you can make a link there. Just if check this, so you can share this link with others, then they will just see your the this Prezi slide, but don't edit, or they can't edit your slide. Okay, or you can also make it with shareable with anyone, or you can make your collaborators here, just add them, then they will be access to edit access to your presentation slide. So I have just downloaded. Okay, so it will be downloaded like this, a zip folder. Just open it, and there will be, for Windows, you will see the exe file here. So if you double click there, and then it will automatically turn on your presentations, and you can present it with anywhere. So no software installation. So uh, there's the good thing of this Prezi. So you need not, like if you use Microsoft, so you need to install this Microsoft Word or PowerPoint here, but you need not you need not those installation on this time. Okay, so just like that, you can just present it from here. So this is my slide that I have made before. So if you can make better than this, so just like that, you can just present it here. Okay, so that's all about it. So that's all about this Prezi. Okay, so I hope I can give some information about this.